Hi, my name is Nelson Buck. I'm an ex-hacker, an ex-stripper, an ex-millionaire who happens to have done programming for a very wealthy guru you may very well know, who also happens to have had everything, only to lose everything, only to regain everything through a one-click software app once again. A software app that doesn't just get you traffic, but actually light beams it into your websites. Are you following me? It sounds stupid, right? It sounds like madness. And yet this is what we're subjected to on an almost daily basis. It's become so common we've almost come to expect it. We're way past paid actors, folks. Now we have paid actors pretending to be pissed off about people who use paid actors. Would someone actually do that? Would somebody's brain actually be so twisted and demented as to pile one layer of falsehood upon another in the effort to make another buck off you? Unfortunately, for all of us, the answer is yes. Welcome to the Internet Marketing Matrix, where rogue Russian hackers are always on speed dial, and rich jerk personalities abound, hurling insults at you like a battle rapper with Tourette's. Our industry is really action-packed, don't you think? It has secret government software conspiracies, hackers with an axe to grind, ex-stripper blackmail, and MIT professors who are actually closet millionaires. We have such amazing luck, don't we? Everyone got their software in such entertaining and dramatic ways. Our little industry has everything. Well, everything except one thing. Real product creators and real product users who actually show their faces. Isn't it eerie? Where are they? You know who I'm talking about. The real people, the everyday people who are buying and making money with these products. Not the strippers, not the made-up characters with rented Ferraris, not the endless parade of 40-something actors talking to you from suspiciously similar-looking living rooms. Where are the moms, the dads, you know, the grandmas, who are actually making money with all this push-button software that we have at our disposal? Have you met anyone? On a forum? Anywhere? Anyone? So here's some advice. If you're sitting in front of your computer right now and wondering why you're still not making any consistent money online or even your first sale, I can help you with that. Even if you have no website, no skills, and no product. But before we do that, you have to accept this wild idea. Just consider it. Here it is. If you want to start making real money that solves real problems in your life, you might start by buying real products from people that get real results for their customers. And it had darn well better be people who actually make their real living doing the stuff they teach, instead of nameless, faceless, gutless, fake gurus slapping a fancy sales page and a fake storyline on a PLR product that they should have to pay you to take, just as long as they can boast about their killer conversions to their JVs on Skype when their name comes up next on the eternal launch merry-go-round from hell. I mean, seriously guys, are we really expected to believe that a new ClickBank affiliate millionaire pops out of nowhere every single day on ClickBank? With a name you've never heard of, a name with no presence on Google but for the very product he or she is selling to you right now? Or could it be that somebody behind that product doesn't want you to know who they are? Could it be that somebody behind that product doesn't want their reputation attached to what's being sold? No, that would be too low. These guys are honest, right? Just look at that couch they're sitting on. It looks just like the one in my grandma's house. Oh, wait a second. There's that couch again in another product launch. If you like the way you're being treated and are happy with the money you're making with these systems, then stop the video right here and enjoy the launch circus. It really is quite entertaining. But if you're sensing something is wrong with this picture, if your life has become a miserable emotional roller coaster, with a new product pitch every day convincing you that this is the one that will work, only to come crashing down to the reality that you've been burned again, then listen up. Get ready to start seeing some real results that will solve real problems in your life, taught by real people who make real money online. I mean, that's worth a shot, right? Good. People, let me tell you why I'm calling these guys out. I sure don't make any friends by doing it. In fact, I can already feel the daggers being pointed at my back as I do this. But if you have any chance of making it online, you have to know the truth. It's all hype, and more hype. 98% of marketers fail at marketing online. I want to change that. I want to give you the chance to make it in this online world. If you agree to any of what I've been saying, then I ask you to enter your name and email address below. I promise you will not regret this. We have industry leaders who are willing to help you move forward. Tons of tools and resources that the big boys and girls are using on a daily basis. But above all, at Mardox.com, we are building a community one member at a time. So enter your name and best email address below and I will see you on the inside.